copper hammer, ball peen hammer, flat bladed screwdriver, T50 Torx bit, a variety of power tools, big grips, 15mm spanner, brake grease, 21mm 3/8 socket, side cutters, 15mm 13mm 3/8 drive, and the adapter, 36mm 21mm socket, that spanner even, and some brushes. Using my T50 Torx bit into the hub bolts and the big ugga duggers. Send it home because you only get one chance with them. Repeat. Don't worry, we will be replacing the cottage pin. There she comes, there we go. Moving the cover and the little rubber gasket. Little magnet to get the washer out. 21mm spanner, 15mm socket. Send it. Just giving myself a little bit of wiggle room there so I can get the caliper off. Fold it out of the way, careful not to drop it. Brake pads coming out. Undoing the carrier. Give it a hoof. That is a Torx set, it's in there. Duff, 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 duff. That's off, and the caliper up out of the way so it doesn't fall and break the brake line. Magnet out again to retrieve the hub bolts. Ball peen hammer made out of steel. This is why we use the copper hammer a lot. Copper hammer's fine. If it's two steel hammers, would be raising eyebrows and calling people idiots. Give it proof. Using the hide side so as not to damage the threads on that. On the bench. These are quite tight, these. Didn't help with a little 3/8 gun. That gun is the boy, by the way. Little 3/8 gun was running out of battery. I call in reinforcements. Couple of whacks, out it comes. Rotate it a little bit so it clears. It is carving rust, you can see why I'm replacing these discs. Give it a good clean up. Nice new disc on. This can be a little bit fiddly, getting it lined up and getting the bolts all in and stuff. I'd recommend getting them started. Like that. All sort of finger tight and it holds itself up. Then gun it down evenly. This is likewise a little bit fiddly as well. Send it home. Torque these up in a bit. Washer. Nut. Torque specification on this is 3-stage, something like 100 Newton meters. Spin it 5 times to the left. 4, 5, and 200 Newton meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all of the other days is something like 550 Newton meters. 2, 3, 4, 5. I imagine you do that so as to seat the bearing correctly. Little rubber cover, castellated nut, goes on all the ways. No split pin or cottage pin. Obviously that's a hammer. You can either go sideways or front and back, depends what kind of a man you are. Tap it home. Onto the carrier. Make sure your sliders are working. Give them a good spin. They can seize up and cause uneven brake wear. Give it a good clean. Also, because that can cause uneven brake wear. If these are bad enough, I'll throw them in the sandblaster. No spring clips. You can see I'm refitting the caliper carrier there. Using all my tools today. Alright, we're going to go tighter than that. Oh, we're going to go that tight. Obviously this is the perfect way to lip the seals on your caliper. Just take it nice and gentle. Proper amount of brake grease on the ears, stop them seizing up. Nobody wants to go in dry, do you? What are you bored of waiting for? Oh! Here's the front, here's the back. Careful refitting that caliper. There's some little knobs on the back of the pads. Just double check out the spanner. New nuts, bolts even. They came with discs and pads. Oh, here's the other side. Get the wheel on there, clicking a finger, torque it up. 200 Newton meters for anyone that's listening. Job's a good one. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. That was Transit Custom.